Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear viewers, you are welcome back to basic English class. Student of tourism and hospitality department, this subject is for you. And beside tourism department, the student of civil, computer, mining and mine survey, REC and power, you can also attend this class. Now I am going to start on previous topic. Our previous topic was voice. Okay, already I have given a lecture on voice, and today I will try to finish this topic. So let's give full concentration on my lecture. Okay, dear learners, we can see the word voice. What is voice? Okay, voice is one kind of sentence. According to English grammar, we call voice. According to English grammar, we call such type of sentence voice. Okay, voice is one kind of sentence pattern. Sentence pattern. Okay, Bengali বাক্য. According to Bangla Bekaron, we call voice বাচ্য. Clear? So let's start. Already I have talked about this. According to voice, sentences are three types: active voice, passive voice, quasi-passive voice. Active, passive, quasi-passive. Especially traditional grammar, they give importance on quasi-passive voice, but modern grammar, they always avoid this quasi-passive voice. Just we will, according to modern grammar, we will discuss this two type of voice: active and passive. Active and passive. Okay, classification of verb. Verb are basically we can see some chart here. Basically, verb we have divided into two types, especially based on object. Based on the object, we have classified the verb into two groups: transitive verb, intransitive verb, and transitive verb. Transitive verb don't take transitive verb always all time take an object, but intransitive verb it doesn't take any object. Okay, and verb, next verb, this type of verb, such type of verb are two types: state verb, event verb. Okay, and especially these are transitive verb. State verb, it is also transitive verb. Event verb, and they are also transitive verb. So when we will change the voice, we will give importance on transitive verb, because only we can change the voice of transitive verb. But transitive verb are two types: state verb and event verb. State verb, we cannot change the voice of state verb, because state verb it expresses the mental condition, emotion, okay, feelings. That is why we cannot change the voice of state verb, though it has an object. Always we will change the voice, we can change the verb of event verb. Okay, event verb is also one kind of transitive verb, and event verb it describes the event. That is why only we can change the voice of event verb. And these are tense verb. Based on tense, we have classified the verb into two groups: auxiliary and principal. And next type of, based on tense, we have classified the verb into two groups. These are finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Okay, finite verb always all time follow the tense. Non-finite verb it does not follow any tense. These are the basic idea of verb. And if you want to change the voice, we have to know the function of transitive verb. Okay, you have to know the function of transitive verb, and especially we'll change the voice of event verb. That is why this verb is very important for you. So let's go next page. Based on the action, verbs are two types. Already I have talked. Transitive verb take object. Intransitive verb, it doesn't take any object. Intransitive verb takes adverb or adverb complement. Okay. Okay, I have already explained this. Birds fly in the sky. Here, when the action falls on subject, we call it this verb intransitive. And when the action falls on another verb in lieu of subject, when the action of verb doesn't fall on subject, in lieu of subject it places the action on another word, and we call this verb transitive, and the kites here is object. So when we change the voice of any sentence, we have to find out whether this verb is transitive or intransitive. Transitive or intransitive, we have to please, I am extremely sorry. Dear student, so when we change the voice, when we'll get the transitive verb in an active sentence. Okay, when we'll get a transitive verb in a sentence, we can change the voice of that verb. Okay, here we cannot change the voice to the first sentence. Okay, we cannot change the voice of this sentence because here the verb fly is intransitive. Okay, and in the second sentence, boys fly the kites in the sky. Here fly is a transitive verb because the object is the kite. That is why we can change the voice of the second sentence, not the first one. Okay, so the voice is not possible for this sentence, first sentence. We can change the voice only of the second sentence. Okay, so what will be the passive voice? When we change the voice, object will be subject and subject will be object, and we have to add an be verb, and then we have to use the past participle of fly verb. Okay, answer, look at, follow me. The kites are flown in the sky by boys. Okay, again, the kites are flown in the sky by boys. Okay, this is the answer, correct answer, but we cannot change the voice of the intransitive verb. So let's start. Let's go to second. Okay, already I have talked about this formula. Okay, this is the formula of changing voice. When we'll change the voice of an active sentence, we have to follow this formula. Okay, by following this formula, we have to change the voice. Okay, so these are the form of verb form. Present form, the verb 2 means V2 means verb 2 past form, V3 means verb number 3, that is our past participle. Okay, every verb, it has 3 types of form, and among them be verb is very important because without the help of be verb we cannot change the voice. Okay, but we can use another verb. Sometimes we use get verb to change the voice. It is also, we can also take the help of get verb in place of be verb. Okay, so we have to know the 3 forms of verb: present form, past form, and past participle. These are very necessary when we will change the voice. And you know that when we change the voice, this object will be subject and subject will be object. Okay, and when and the verb, and verb always will be verb number 3 means past participle, and before the main verb we have to take the help of be verb. This, by using this formula, by using this structure, we can change the voice of any active sentence. Okay, all right, next page. Okay, already I have given lecture on this topic. We eat rice. What will be this sentence in active? We have to change the voice into passive. How will change it? Look at rice. Here, rice is object because it is a transitive verb, and we is here subject. So subject will be object and object will be subject. Look at rice. Okay, I have made the object. I have made the object rice. It is now subject, and subject will be object. Look at we. I have changed we into by us. Now it is the present form. Okay, it is the present form, verb number 1, and I have to change it into verb number 3, past participle. What is the past participle form? Eaten. Eat at eaten. Okay, so I have written the verb number 3, V3. Now we have to take the help of be verb. Okay, I have to write here be verb, and we have to match this be verb with the subject rice. Okay, and the verb number be verb, there are many form: be, am, is, are, being, was, are, been, and there are how many be verb? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are eight types of be verb. Okay, different form. They are in different forms, and among them I have to choose only. One. Which one I will choose? Okay, look at eat here. Verb number 1. Eat, verb number 1. That is why I have to choose the be verb from verb number 1. If you get here verb number 2, we have to choose the be verb from verb number 2. Okay, as this verb eat verb is number 1, verb present form, that is why I have to choose from this box. Okay, be, am, is, are, being. Which verb will match with subject? It will be is. Okay, rice is eaten by us. So when we will get in an active voice, if you get one verb, in passive voice the verb will be in number 2, double. Okay, one verb will be double, single verb will be double. Okay, if you get two verbs here will be only one. We have to add another one verb, that is here verb number will be total 3. Okay, if you get one verb, here will be 2. If you get two verb, here will be 3. This way we have to change the verb. It is a very easy and simple topic. Look at, I am eating rice. Here there are two verbs, am and eating. Rice will be subject, and I will be by me. Eating, verb number 3, eaten. Here also verb number same, eaten, 3 number verb eaten. And am here will be matched with rice is, and eating it will be we have left out ing form. Okay, eat and ing, eating, we have left out ing form, and this ing form will be added with be verb, voice formula being. It will be being. Rice is being eaten by me. Okay, dear learners. So these are the basic idea of passive form. Okay, and always all time you have to follow the formula. Now we are going to next slide. Look at the example. She killed a rat. Okay, here a rat is an object and killed is transitive verb because rat is rat object and she is subject. So rat will be subject here and she will be object and she will be by her, and killed verb number 2 past form. So we have to change this killed verb into verb number 3, and we know that killed, it has the same form in past participle. That is why killed we have written in verb number 3 killed, and killed, this verb has been used from, we have used this be verb from verb number 2, and that is why we have to take the help of be verb from verb number 2 past form, was or were, anyone we have to choose by matching with the subject. Clear? So a rat we have to choose, we have to match with these two forms. Which one will match? Was. Okay, a rat was killed by her. This way we have to match the be verb with the subject, and we have to change the active sentence into passive. Clear? Next verb. Okay, so dear learners, when we will get a single verb in the active voice, we have to take the help another be verb. Okay, another be verb. That is why here single verb has become double verb, was and killed. And next example, I have used another sentence. He has killed a rat, and there are two verbs, has and killed. Okay, has and killed. So we have got two verbs, and two verbs will be total number 3. We have to change this active into this way. Look at object, I have used as a rat subject, and he becomes by him. Killed, verb number 3 killed. Has, we have to match with a rat, has, and we have to use extra be verb, because without be verb we cannot change the voice. We cannot change the voice. Look at what will be here. Killed, this verb present perfect tense, and in the present perfect tense we use the verb number 3 killed, verb number 3 past participle. And when we get verb number 3, we have to use the be verb from verb number 3. Here we have to use verb number 3 be verb. Okay, passive verb been. Okay, this way if you get a single verb, we have to take another extra verb, that is from be family. Okay, this way we have to change the active sentence into passive sentence. Dear learners, if you face any problem, you can ask me. I will try to solve the problem. Okay, next. Okay, same. We are going to discuss the another type of sentence. Okay, here there is no, in this sentence we cannot get any subject, because such type of sentence are imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, already we have changed the voice of assertive sentence, and now we are going to change the voice of imperative sentence, and in the imperative sentence we don't get any subject. Okay, so if there is only object, and how we will change it? Such type of sentence, if you want to change, we have to take the help of let verb. Okay, we have to change the help of let verb. Why you have to take let? Because there is no subject. If you don't get no subject, if there is absent of subject, you have to take the help of let verb, because when we change the active voice of imperative sentence, we have to take the help of extra verb, that is let. Okay, after let and that is object will be subject. After let we have used the some as subject, and do. There is number 3, verb number 3, do, did, done, verb number 3 done, and before verb number 3 we have to use the be verb. Okay, when we get the be verb, when we get the late verb, when we use the late verb, here we cannot change the am is are being form, we have to change the base form, okay, because after late we have to use the base form of be verb. This way we have to change the voice of imperative sentence. Clear? So let's, what will be the right answer? Okay, such type of sentence is late, we are getting late. Late, this is also one kind of imperative sentence because there is no subject but there is object. Let them do the sum. The sum is here object. Clear? How will change it? Late will be late. Clear? The late will be same late, and late next the sum, it will be subject here. Let the sum, okay, do verb number 3 will be done. Before done we have to use be, okay, we have used be, and them, it is the objective form of they, objective form of they, and objective form of they, and we have to write this way, by them. Let will be, them will be by them, okay. This way we have to change the voice of active voice of imperative sentence, okay. Next page, she pen herself, okay. This is another type of sentence, and this is an assertive type sentence, but look at the object. She pens herself, okay, self. When we will get the self with object herself, such as herself, myself, themself, we call them reflexive object, okay. When we get the reflexive object such in this such type of sentence, and we know that reflexive object never be a subject, okay. Reflexive object cannot be used as subject. That is why we have to change this way. Clear? She, we have to keep in the same way. See, subject is here, subject same, there is no change, okay. And herself, it is in her own position as object, okay, by her, herself it becomes by her. And fans, we will change the voice of fan, this verb, okay. Fan, verb number 3, fan, present number fan, fanned and fan. So verb number 3 fanned, and before this verb we have to take the help of be verb, and this be verb we have to use by matching with subject. It will be she. Verb number fans, this is present form, that is why I have to take the help of be verb from verb number 1 is, okay. She is fanned by herself. Clear? Dear student, next if you change this way, okay, this is not an correct answer. I already have told you that herself, it cannot be an object and subject of a sentence. That is why we cannot change this way. We have to change this way, okay. The students made him a captain, okay. Here the student subject made transitive verb, him object 1, and captain, it is the complement, of him, because him and captain is the same person. That is why we call this structure captain is here object complement, okay. Subject plus transitive verb plus object complement, okay. How will change, okay. Look at him, made transitive verb, him object, and him will be he. Clear? Object will be subject. The students will be by the students. The student has subject, and we make this we will use this as object by this way, by the students, and made verb number, made Okay, look at, and captain, I have placed here captain, and made, verb number 3 number made, and this past tense. Okay, this is the example of a past indefinite tense. The students made him captain, and past indefinite tense means made verb is taken from verb number 2. Verb number 2. That is why we have to use the be verb from past form, was or were. Okay, we have to match with the subject was or were. Which one will match with the subject? We know that was will match with this subject was. He was made captain by the students. Okay, we cannot write this way, and we have to keep in mind that captain is an object complement, and object complement cannot be subject in the passive voice. Clear? So we cannot write this way. This is an incorrect structure, and this is the correct structure of passive voice of active sentence, imperative active sentence. Okay. Next, you play carom. Okay, you play carom. What will be the answer? Try to solve. Try yourself. Carom. Okay, play carom. Carom have object, play transitive verb, and you by you. Play, played, 3 number form, played, and it is a present verb number 1, present form, present indefinite tense. That is why we have to use each be verb from verb number 1. Clear? Try yourself. Next sentence, you can play tennis. What will be the right answer? What will be the right answer? Tennis will be subject and you will be by you, and there are two verbs, and between these two verbs we have to add another be verb. Okay, play, verb number 3, played, can will be same, and I have to use here be verb. Okay, and can is a modal verb. Can is a modal verb, and after modal verb we have to use the base form of be verb. Okay, that is why I have to use be. We could use be verb this way. Clear? This is the correct answer. So I think you have understood voice. Next example. Do you play carom? Dear learners, you know that I have placed an example of an interrogative sentence because there is a question mark. This is an example of interrogative sentence. How we will change the passive? How will change the voice of interrogative sentence? There is subject you, object is carom. Okay, very easy. Look at carom will be carom here object. Now I have make it use it as subject. Okay, and you will be by you, and play verb number played, and here I have to use a be verb, and this be verb I will place before the subject. Clear? Okay, carom is played by you, and this is from here I have replaced this verb and I have placed this verb into in front of the subject. Clear? This way you have to change the voice of interrogative sentence. All right. Next question. Try to solve yourself. Can you play tennis? What will be the right answer? Try to solve it. Try yourself. Okay, here you subject, tennis is here object. Okay, object will be subject tennis, and you will be by you, and play will be played, and I have to use the be verb. Okay, And we can notice that can is a modal verb, and it is also one kind of helping verb, and I have to write the same verb here. I have to use the same verb here, can. Okay, and we know that before past participle of main verb we have to use the be verb, and this be verb we take the help of be verb to change the voice, and this be verb we place this here before main verb. Okay, look at. So this way we can change the voice of interrogative sentence. Clear? Who makes the chair? Who makes the chair? Try to solve. Okay, correct answer. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Here, who is subject and the chair is object. Okay, and the object will be subject and subject will be object. You can rough note. Okay, is the chair made by whom? Who will be by whom? Okay, who will be by whom? And the chair here object, and makes, made, and be verb is. Okay, and we know that who will be by whom, who here subject, subject will be object, and object here chair. Okay, object has become subject, and made main verb, and verb number 3 made, and we have taken the help of be verb. I have placed here be verb, but we know that we can use the WH at the end of a sentence. Okay, of a sentence. Always, all time we have to use the WH word, interrogative pronoun at the beginning of the sentence. That is why I have placed by whom at the beginning. Clear? This way we have to change. Okay, time is very short. Next example, whom do you want? Here you subject and whom is object. It is a very complex sentence. Okay, very difficult sentence, and but we have to find out the subject and object. Here subject you and object is whom. How will change? Look at whom will be who, and okay, and you will be by you, and wanted, and we have to take the help of be verb, and we know that want is a present form. That is why we have to take the help of be verb from present one. Present form is. This way we have to change the voice. So dear student, these are some example. The teachers us English, and we have to solve this way. We are taught English by the teacher. Okay, by the teacher, and we can also use English is taught by the teacher. Okay, especially we use the first type of sentence. Example always is preferable. Okay, and second type sentence it is also right, but especially you can write anyone, but this is first choice. Okay, second choice. Okay, food was given by us. These are another type of sentence. Honey tastes sweet. These are compliment, one kind of compliment, and in our country especially we change the voice such type of sentence, but these are very uncommon to foreign international grammar. Especially in our country we give importance such type of sentence. Okay, and these are causative passive voice. We need not to change the voice. We can change this way. If you want, you can change this way. So dear learners, we have talked too much about the voice, and I think you have got a clear idea on this topic, and next topic will be narration. Inshallah, I will try to give a lecture on narration. Narration means speech. So no more today. If you face any problem, you can make comments. Thank you. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.